No one is born as a DIY pro or a great handyman. It is just the practice of doing home improvement projects one after the other that will make you an expert. Welcome to Best Home Upgrade. And here, how does one learn home improvement DIY skills? Are you someone who finds DIY projects to be intimidating and unappealing? It is simply a matter of executing one home upgrade project after another that will turn you into an expert. In this video, I will show you how to learn home improvement DIY in 6 easy steps. You can start with projects that will take less time to accomplish. Once you complete those small projects, you will have a sense of satisfaction and completion. And at the same time, you will also feel encouraged to start other projects. If you don't have the correct tool for the job, you could think it isn't getting done very quickly enough. You may even believe you won't be able to achieve it. However, it's possible that the tool is preventing you from achieving that level of perfection in your work. Mistakes are inevitable when learning something new. Do not get nervous about mistakes. Making mistakes is an essential part of mastering anything new. And by learning from your failures, you can become a seasoned DIYer. You can search for home improvement ideas that you love to do. Choose the area of improvement that you want to work on first. Research is one of the basic steps for doing any project. If you have any home improvement projects in mind, do a little more research. Investing time in research will save you a lot of money, time, and frustration. Once you have accomplished smaller projects, don't be afraid of taking on larger projects. Slowly, you won't realize you will become known as a DIYer among your friends' circle.